In this video, I will show you how to locate charts on Bybit. So if you want to see charts in Bybit, let me show you step by step how to do it. First up, after you open up now the Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do on your Bybit, so now you go to trade. So after you go to trade like this, so the first thing to do now, you tap on this option now and select the coin you want to see. So I'm on spot. So let's say I want to just select the chart. Let's say I want to say the chart of the Solana. I'll select the Solana. After you select the Solana like this now, so now you have two options to see the chart. So the first one, if you want, you can just tap on this option. You can tap on this, as you can see here is a candlestick. If you tap on it, it will give you the chart. And the second option, if you want, you can just tap on this option at the same time, it will give you the chart. So let's try both of them. So if you tap on this candlestick, so as you can see now, here is now the chart of the coin that I currently selected. Now here is the chart. And if you want to like set some settings, you can tap on the settings button. Under the settings, as you can see here, you'll be able to see all the indicators, and you can just go and customize the chart. And that is the first method. And the second method, if you want, you can just tap on this. You can go back to the price if you want. You can tap on this option to go back to the price. So here is the price, and if you want to chart, you can tap on this chart. So if you go back to the price, if you want to see this price and the chart at the same time, you tap on this second option, this one. So as you can see, now here is the chart, and now here is the price at the same time. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.